Hello everybody. So today we are going to explain the crash cart. This is the crash cart in our hospital, and the following shelves of the crash cart are: this is upper shelf. These are the bins of different colors in the crash cart. This is the middle shelf of the crash cart, and these are the drawers to put the various medical consumables. And we have labeled our 6 drawers as A1, A2, B1, B2, C1 and C2, and this is the lower shelf of the crash cart. So now one by one we are going to explain the medical consumables and the medicines we have put on our crash cart. On the upper shelf, these are the fluids, IV fluids, which is first of all is NS, RL and DNS. And here we have kept our eclampsia basket, which is required in case of fits in case of obstetric patient. Now these are the bins. Different hospital setups has different things in these bins. So we have not kept medicines in our bins. This is nebulization mask. This is oxygen mask. These are bandages. This is stress ball. This is torch, and this is B25. Along with that, here in the middle shelf, this is ambu tray, which has ambu bag with oxygen connector. This is pediatric ambu bag. This is adult mask, and this is pediatric mask. Now, as this is an emergency tray, so we should also have laryngoscope of different sizes in this tray. These are the adult laryngoscopes, you can see, with batteries in it. Always your laryngoscope bag should have batteries in it. And this is our pediatric laryngoscope bag with batteries in it. Now, here is the oxygen cylinder along with the key of the oxygen cylinder. So this is the things we have kept on our middle shelf. Now one by one we are going to explain each of the drawer, starting from A1. Let us open this drawer. In this drawer we have various kind of emergency injections, starting from like atropine, aminophylline, dexa, nitroglycerin, calcium gluconate, hydrocortisone, Avil, Lasix, dopamine, sodium bicarb and MgSO4 injection. Now this you can see on every drawer where we have kept these injections, we have written the name of the injection along with the expiry date of the injection. So on every medicine drawer you always have to mention the name of the medicine with the expiry date. So this is our drawer A1. Moving on to next drawer, which is A2. Here again we have some of other emergency medicines like adrenaline, noradrenaline, xylocaine, deriphyllene and phenytoin injection. This is midazolam injection, this is noradrenaline injection, and few emergency tablets also we have kept here, which is one is aspirin, this is clopidogrel, and this is nitroglycerin 5 mg. So these are the emergency tablets in our drawer A2. So drawer A1 and A2 has emergency drugs, IV. Second B1 drawer is basically dedicated for the intubation purpose. So here we have kept Goodell's oropharyngeal airway of different sizes. Then we have Stellet to guide the intubation. Different size of endotracheal tubes, along with different types of Ryle's tube. This is suction catheter and the bandage. So basically drawer B1 here in our crash cart is dedicated for the intubation. Moving on to drawer B2. Drawer B2 is, here we have kept all kind of syringes, starting from 2 ml, then 5 ml, then 10 ml, 20 ml and 50 ml syringes. So these are the syringes in our drawer B2. Moving on to drawer C1. C1 drawer is dedicated for the IV cannulation purpose. So here we have surgical gloves. This is cannula fixator, micropore, tourniquet, different size of cannula, all size of adult cannulas, and the pediatric cannula as well, followed by triple way. So this triple way also we have. This is adult IV set and this is our pediatric IV set. So this drawer is dedicated for the IV cannulation and further. Now drawer, this one C2 is for catheterization and is dedicated for catheterization purpose. So here again we have surgical gloves, catheter of different numbers, Dynaplast, NS, Eurobag and lignocaine jelly. So this drawer is basically dedicated for catheterization purpose. So these are all our drawers, A1, A2, B1, B2, C1 and C2. So moving on to last shelf of our crash cart. Here we have kept our PPH basket and this is our defibrillator. Thank you.